Well, you'd have to get over here.
Yeah,
Hello, everybody. Today, this is Maddie.
Hi. I wanted to be in a video, so here I am. Okay.
Bye, Maddie.
Bye.
So today is day 45 of my 100 days of Keto Chow. Wait a second.
Turn on the sun.
Turn on the sun. I've got these things. I might as well use them. Ah, much better. Anyway, so, yeah, day 45. It's actually really late. It's like almost noon, and I still haven't done this video yet, which means that it's going to take a while to get it encoded and processing and uploaded and all that sort of stuff. I'm like, dang it, I got to get it done. I spent the morning, well, I went and got my blood drawn. It's the first of, I think, 9 or maybe 10 that I'm going to have done for the remainder of the time that I'm doing these. Every Friday morning, I get to go and get my blood drawn. The phlebotomist lady, she's like, which works best, left arm or right arm? I'm like, they both work really well. I've got these amazing veins. And she's like, wow, I have my choice of like 3 different ones on your left arm. I'm like, yeah, I don't have many redeeming qualities, but my phlebotomist loves me. Anyway, so I did that. I went and picked up some more liquid nitrogen this morning because why not, right? If I remember, I will cut to at the end of this, at least the YouTube version, a video I did this morning of our very dirty sink full of hot water with about a half a liter of liquid nitrogen dumped into it. It made this giant cloud of vapor. It was really cool. But as far as the 100 days of keto goes, everything is Keto Chow specifically. Everything is still going really well. I'm really not having any issues with it sticking to it. It's fine. I actually kind of look forward to drinking it every day. So, and I know that sounds kind of like you would expect that coming from me since I made it, but that's how it is. Let's see. As far as stuff going on today, I am putting in the order for the packaging for the new savory line today, which means that we're only about 6 months away. Or 3, or 4, or 9, who knows. But the final formulation is at the co-packer, and he's getting together pricing and all that sort of stuff. I think I mentioned yesterday that we had to change around the formula because as it stood, the tomato was going to be really expensive. It was going to be like $100 a bag. Now it's going to be more along the lines of about, I think, don't hold me to this, but I think 75 for a 21 meal, and about $4.75 I think for the samples. I actually completely forgot to look at that because I had to run off and do something else. Anyway, so Crazy Friday, we have our keto meetup coming up tomorrow. I'm thinking about making the Keto Chow drop biscuits, the ones that Amanda made, which reminds me I've got a couple recipes that I still need to post. That Amanda, and I think one from Taffney that I haven't posted yet. So maybe I'll do those in the copious amounts of free time that I have. Anyway, I'm going to go talk to an insurance agent. I will see you all for a quick update tomorrow on day 50. So long. There's a dirty sink full of hot water and about a half, well, 3/4 of a liter of liquid nitrogen.
Oh, yeah! Ow, you stepped on me.
By the way, don't breathe too deeply where the stuff's coming out because it is nitrogen. You won't be getting enough oxygen.